The north door of St. Edward's Church in Stow-on-the-Wold feels like a portal to another world, and it has welcomed visitors for centuries. One of those many visitors was said to have been JRR Tolkien. Tolkien was a professor at Oxford from 1925 to 1945, and St. Edward's Church was only 39 miles away. Tolkien had a deep appreciation for the Cotswolds and was known to have explored the area frequently. The church was originally built in the 11th century. The door, framed by 2 venerable yew trees, was added in the 1200s, and the trees may be over 800 years old. The church, with its rich history and picturesque setting, would have been a compelling destination for Tolkien, who often drew inspiration from his surroundings. Legend has it that Tolkien, inspired by this very site, envisioned the Doors of Durin in The Lord of the Rings, inscribed with the words, "Speak, friend, and enter."